welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a TEMU order. I got that this time the topic is kind of magical. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. So I say magical because you'll see it in a moment. There's some designs that to me, they kind of give me a magical idea. And because one of the paintings is a potion bottle, and I'm really excited about it because I really like that one. I'm really excited to show it. So let me just take out the first painting real quick. Yeah, recently I've been seeing that some of them get really tough and stuck in the bag. I don't know why it does that. There we go. Put this aside real quick. And just unfurl the painting. They're not that small. They're a little bit bigger this time. So I don't believe I have any of my little 20 by 20s kind of magical. And every time you open the painting, it comes with your diamonds and your standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would do is press the pen into the wax and press it onto the diamonds once you've already poured them in the tray. And once you've already pressed the pen on the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, just in case it breaks or it decides to run away, your next painting will have a kit as well. They always have you covered. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, I like these little earthy tones. And I always say that every time I see earthy tones. And there's a large packet here. I believe it might be this nice dark blue. I really do like it. I'm a big fan of these. Oh, I really like it. And I love that little dark purple as well. And this is the painting. It's a house in kind of a magical setting with butterflies, a whole bunch of plants around it. Nice little sun in the background. And to me, I feel it's really magical. So that's why I said it's a magical kind of setting. So I'm just going to pick up the plastic real quick. As you can probably see the creases in the canvas. The plastic does assist on kind of settling it a bit. So that's why I do that every now and then. Sometimes some of the paintings aren't that creased up, but sometimes they are. And even though I do put my paintings in a portfolio when I'm not working on them, I still settle it just to help out. Oh, this is so pretty. And I love all the blues. I love butterflies. I'm not sure if I've said that before. So a lot of my paintings do have some butterflies on it. And I love these really bright ones. They're all bright colors, kind of sporadic everywhere. Just flying around this wonderful little house with a whole bunch of flowers on it. I really like this painting. And some information about it. It is FN 2006. And it is a 20 by 30 and it is 15 colors. And for the legend, they're all alphabetical letters. So, woo, no symbols, no numbers. That makes it so much easier when you paint. Oh, I really like this painting. I think I might do this near probably October, since it's magical and since we'll be getting close to Halloween. This might be one, and it's cute, so I love cute, so it'll work out for me. And just in case, I'll put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see a little more clearly. The nice little house with butterflies is your style as well. And so, this is the next painting. I'm trying to find the little end here. Oh, here it is. Sometimes I can't see when it's where it's stuck because I can't see where the glue is. I don't know why I can't see it sometimes. I think it depends on the bag. And there we go. Move that out of the way real quick. And oh, here we go. Couldn't find the edge either. Oh, I thought it was a little bigger. I'll explain why in a moment. Same thing, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Ooh, this one's all kitted up. Meaning that they're all organized in Ziploc bags and all of that. And just in case you do diamond paint in that style, you're ready to go. All you would do is just take them out of the plastic bag. And voila, you just start painting. Myself, I don't do Ziplocs no more. Last time when I did try was one of my smaller paintings. I kept spilling. I made such a mess. So Ziploc bags for me is not my cup of tea no more. So I'd rather be pouring them in my little tubes in my storage because I have a harder time spilling with those. So, but if you do prefer Ziploc bags, it works, you know, it makes it a lot easier for you. And I love they put the sticker with the information about the painting. And I have seen somewhere that whenever they have these little identifier stickers, apparently the diamonds are better quality. That's what I've heard. I'm not too sure how to prove that. Well, unless I work on the painting and then I can tell you, oh, they are better. So, but I really do love these colors. I love these really dark tones, this random really bright orange. I love that, and the dark blue. Oh, I think I might hit up this painting next. It's so pretty. And they also have stickers of the numbers, so they're all in their numerical order. So once you're ready to paint, you already have the diamonds all ready to go. And this is the painting. Oh, and it is upside down. There we go. And it's beautiful setting with tree silhouettes and I believe a river and beautiful kind of really colorful sky. To me, I believe it's really magical. So that's why I said magical. And I love all the pastel tones of it. I'm a big fan of that and the little bright spots everywhere. I really like that. I really thought this was a larger painting. I didn't know it was a 20 by 30. I'm not too sure why I thought it was larger, but I think it's the way it was packaged. To me, it seemed that it might have been a larger painting. And let's see if I kind of flipped it real quick. Yeah, as you probably saw how I struggled. That's why it is important, just to kind of let y'all know. If you do remove the plastic and place it back, just make sure that you're placing it back on the side that was correct. As you just saw me right now struggle to kind of take it off the painting. If the other side, which is the outward side, is stuck on the glue, it's really tough to take it off. I have no idea why it does that. So what I do recommend when I started diamond painting, I did it to kind of remind myself because I would forget which side was which. I would just put a little sticker here. As you probably see by my desk, I love stickers. So I always made sure to put a sticker on the plastic. So if I did remove it and when I wanted to put it back, I knew which was the correct side because my little cute sticker, I would use it as an indicator. Just a little piece of advice, just in case, you know, you're starting the whole diamond painting journey and you're worried, ooh, how do I know which side is which? I do recommend to put a sticker. And if you do not have stickers, you can just put post-it. I've done that as well. You just need an indicator to know which side is which. And sorry, I'm just doing that because it is really creased up, as you can tell. Yeah, I'll have to put this in my portfolio so it can settle a bit. Ooh, those creases really don't want to come out. And that's kind of rare. I don't get a lot of paintings that do that. So it's kind of odd that it's, I don't know, really creased up like that. Just trying to see if I can get it settled a bit because it is trying to curl up in. And kind of want to show the picture. So, yeah, as you can see, nice little sky, colorful sky with trees and the nice kind of, it looks like a little river to me. Yes, it's the little picture is kind of, the little photo is showing it to me. There's a little river running through the middle. I really like this one. Love the colors. And some information about the painting. It is S3831 and it's 20 by 30 and it is 16 colors. And the legend, the numbers 1 through 8 are in numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and from 9 to 16 they are capitalized letters. I actually do like that as well, because since they're kind of order, it's not kind of throwing me all over the place, showing 2 is actually a 9 or something like that. I've had a lot of paintings do that, and it really throws me off every now and then. But I do like this legend, and I really love all the colors that's showing in the legend. As I said, they're really pastel, and I think C is, what is C? Oh, 939. Yeah, I thought maybe it's 310, but no, I don't think they would use black for it. But no, they use 939, which is a darker tone. That's pretty much all of the trees and the little here on the bottom with the river. Oh, I really do like this, mostly because I love the pastel colors in the sky. And oh, and for this image as well, I'll make sure to put a clear one here in the middle of the screen so you can see it a little better. It's a nice little colorful sky. Is your style as well. Yeah, that painting, I do not know why it's curled up like that. So my last painting, ooh, this is the one I really wanted to show. I bought this a while ago, and I'm still always looking for paintings that are potion bottles. I love potion bottles and all that, and I play a lot of fantasy games, so I always love seeing little images of whenever you get a potion. So I don't know, I just love the image of it, and as I've been looking for paintings, they have potions as well. And the diamonds actually just kind of slipped out. So let me fix this real quick. Oh, they are really stuck in there. Oops, sorry about that. The edge is a little frayed. If you see this little piece here, it's from the canvas. Ooh, the canvas is a little tougher, but the edges are sometimes frayed this way. And not all the time. I don't usually get them that way. But I'll make sure to trim it when I can get some scissors, and it doesn't really damage the canvas that that strongly. I haven't had a canvas completely just just unweave on me while I'm painting on it, so this is kind of rare. So and again, if you do see this, don't worry. If you pull it, it'll pull more. It kind of makes me think of, you see loose thread in your shirt. You keep pulling, you'll see it keep coming out. Yeah, don't do that. Let me just get a pair of scissors real quick. And I'll just trim that because it's going to be distracting to me. And there we go. Ooh, see how easy it is? You would just trim it real quick and it'll just leave it. You just have to keep an eye on it. And the edges, as you can see, is not really damaged. Just little pieces of extra fiber that are sticking out of it. And I'll make sure to trim it a little clearer. Mostly because the canvas has glue. So I'm kind of worried that I'm going to get a couple of little pieces of, I was going to say fur, of fabric onto the glue. So since the painting kind of did it for me, you just unfurl it. And the diamonds were in here. Excuse me. Sorry about that. And the standard kit. As I said, they always find you. And these are the diamonds. Oh, same thing. This is all kitted up for you as well. And they're all in the Ziploc bag. And I really love the dark tones. I love these reds. I'm a big fan of them. Oh, I love that one. That one's really nice. Oh, there's a nice burgundy too in the dark teal. I really love this color. And I really love these Ziploc bags because I do save them and reuse them. And I love the little diamond and their numerical order. Oh, sorry. They're numbered. So I reuse them whenever I have extra drills. And I really do love these bags. Oh, it's really nice. And this is the image. It's a nice potion bottle with a heart and with roses and little beads. And more roses. I really love this painting. First time I saw it, I knew I had to pick it up because it's just so pretty. And as I said, I've been looking for potion bottles, and this one I found it because it's a larger one. I've been finding smaller ones, but I was so happy I was able to find a 30 for 30. For me, this is so perfect for February, but I really love this painting. And my goodness, it's so nice. Sorry about that. I really like this one a lot. And I have had it. This painting actually wasn't part of the other two. The other two previous paintings I showed, they were from the same order. This one was from a previous order. I just haven't had a chance to show it. So last time I saw it was still in stock, but I'll double check when I put the links to the paintings down in the description below, just in case a nice potion bottle is what you've been looking for as well. Oh, I just really love this painting. And here we go. Sorry about that. I really wanted to settle the plastic a bit. As you can see, it has a little heart and little potion in it. And it has a little stopper and the roses. I just love this painting. So, some information about the painting. It is man. No, really. MAN 439. I've never seen that before, so I had to say it like that. And it's a 30 by 30, and it's 22 colors. And thank goodness, all of the legend is in capital letters. So, woo, thank you, Mr. Painting. Just made it easier for me. And I really like it. And the field is really clear. Actually, I'm actually noticing it now that I'm actually paying more attention to it. It's really, really clear. I can see all of the letters on the drill field really clearly. Same thing with the darker rows. Some of the darker tones, as you can see here, the lettering does have a lighter kind of tone. Let me see if I can get a little closer. But it's really not as white. So I do wish they had made it a little bit brighter. But for rounds, I do sometimes use a a light pad. So since I notice this spot is a little darker, I'm going to make sure to put a light pad under so I can spot it when I start painting on it. And they're all the same letter. It's all O or C. Oh, see? That's why I need the light pad. Oh, no, I was correct. It's O. I thought there was C, but no, it's an O. And, oh my goodness, I just really love this painting. And, yeah, for this one as well, I'll make sure to put a clear image here. So you can see a little clearly. You have a nice little potion with a heart is your style as well. I really love this one. And I'll make sure to do a kit up video when I actually start on this one. But I think I might hold it off for February. Because to me, it just, not just for Valentine's, it's February. I don't know. I think of hearts every time it's February. And also, little fun fact, my birthday's in February. So that's why I kept thinking of February every time I kept seeing it. So it'll be a gift to myself. So that's all I wanted to show today. And yeah, I'm just real happy about all of these paintings. To me, they all spoke magical for me. And as also, I want to thank all the new subscribers because I've been seeing a lot more people have been subscribing and watching my channel. So I really do appreciate that. And so I do thank everyone, not just new subscribers, but everyone who keeps returning to my channel. I really do appreciate it. And I really do apologize that I did not state that as much. So I'll make sure to keep saying that as much as I can. And again, for any returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. As I've said, I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. It really helps out the channel, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone these wonderful paintings we all love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.